Hi my amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about this Wi-Fi Smart Power Strip. I like to say thank you very much to Ms. Taylor for sponsoring this product. So watch out for this video my amigos and amigas and enjoy! My amigos and amigas, actually I used it already last week when I received it and I have to try it. So let's open it and let's unbox it. Okay. So in this box we have the actual Wi-Fi power strip. So this one, my amigos and amigas, this is the on and off button, 3 outlet, 1, 2, 3, and also 3 USB port. So this one, really nice, and also the wiring. Okay, so it's kind of long. I think it's 4 feet long, you can say. It's very hard. The main features of this Wi-Fi power strip, my amigos and amigas, it is powered by Wi-Fi by 2.4G, and also it's a voice control. If you have a Google app or Alexa, you can easily connect it. And don't forget to download the gosund app, which is I already downloaded. Later my amigos and amigas, let's try it, okay? So this one, power strip, and this is the user manual. Okay, so let's try my amigos and amigas, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did, because this one really works for me. I hope to you as well. Okay. You can also reset this one, my amigos and amigas. If you want to erase the current setting of this power strip, just press this on and off button for 5 seconds, then hold. Okay, so if you want to erase only, okay. This is the actual. I'm in the gosund app already, and you have to pair it with this app. This is the Power Smart Strip, and we click this one. I already connected. Just simply press this one, the add button, and connect with your smart strip. You just click it. Okay, and this is the actual of it. As you can see, all this, the on and off button, the switch one, the outlet, 1, 2, 3, and the USB hub, USB port. So we click it, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, it's off, it's power off, and it's power off here. And when I want to on it, you just click it, switch 1, 2, 3. So you can see there's a red light in it, and also the USB port is 1, 2, 3. It's all light. So if I want to off one of the outlet, it just simply on here. Let's check again. So the other one is, the other outlet is no light, so that means it's off here. Okay, so you want it off again, the other outlet, simply press this. Okay, so this app is easy to use, and the power strip is easy to manage as long as you have the app. So off, and off it. So if you want to on it, you just simply on this in your app. Okay, simply on it, and all have a light. So you have to explore it, and you get a timer if what time you have to use it. So just simply explore it, counter, schedule, circulate, and random. So easy to use, my amigos and amigas. Simply download the gosund app, okay, with this one. Okay, so let's off it. Okay, then it's off. amigos and amigas, what can I say in using this power strip Wi-Fi smart voice control? I can say it's very good and it's very working fine perfectly when I'm using in my laptop, and my USB and my hard drive works well, and also in my kitchen appliances when I plug it. So if you're gonna ask me my rating on this product, I would say 10 out of 10. Must have it at home because it can reduce your bill and electricity. I can say because you can control the usage of this through your gosund app. So this one might want to have this in your home. So if you want to order this one, my amigos and amigas, I will put the link in the description box. Feel free to browse their item. So my amigos and amigas, I can rate this product 10 out of 10. I really like it. So you can order it online, the Wi-Fi power strip. Okay, by the way, my amigos and amigas, in using this product, there's also a warning that's written in this paper. There's also a warning, my amigos and amigas, in using this product, so feel free to read it, this one, in their manual. Okay, my amigos and amigas. So my amigos and amigas, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me.